Archimedes was given a crown by the king, and the question was, is this crown really made of gold, or is it some mixture of a substance? He couldn't figure out how to do it without destroying the crown, without melting it and seeing if it was pure gold. And he got exhausted and he decided to take a bath to help relax. And when he got in the bath, he saw that the water went up because he pushed the water out of the way with his own volume. He could then measure his volume by how much water he pushed. If water was 1, then he could be higher or lower, and the crown could be higher or lower and could be compared with gold. So let's draw a balloon. And the question is, what volume of balloon is necessary for this? The density of the air is going to be really important because the air is the fluid in this context. So how much volume is the balloon? What bigness of a balloon? This is a balloon about the size of a car. I am assigning homework at this time. The homework is to do the homework. How much force do you need on a different diameter of piston? So I'm going to give you a little tip on that, which is according to Pascal's principle, the pressures are equal, but force over area will be equal to different force over different area. That's Pascal's principle.